Okay guys, so listen, we've got one of these Banham M2002 2002s. It's 12 pin, and I believe that the pins are being forced outwards. No, they're being forced together, so of course the binding pin is being pushed by the other pin to push it through the actual body of the lock. So you've got to release the tension. Release tension of the core and then release the actual pin pushing it to actually bring this one back in to actually get it set. So very, very, very complex lock, and of course you haven't got a great deal of work room in there either. As you can see, I don't know if you can see the pins in there. Let's just see if we can get a bit of light. There's as you can see by the side, you can see the pins on the side there as well. So you can see they're both fully loaded, both sides. But yeah, listen, what we do, if we do get it open, then obviously we will take it apart and see what's inside. I'm led to believe they're pretty complex to take apart. And also because the pins are being forced outwards, obviously as you start to retract the core, obviously the pins have a tendency to go flying. So it's going to be fun. So listen, what we do, we get the vice over and we will see if we can get it open. So I'm going to give it, I don't want to be too long on it because obviously let's go that way. It's going to take a little while to take apart. So obviously I don't want to take up too much of your time, but listen, what we'll do, get the tension wrench in and let's see if we can get it picked. Okay, let's go this way. I've actually picked it from the bottom. I've never picked it from up top. It's then what happens is once you actually get it picked, then because obviously all the pins lock tight because obviously they've got nowhere to retract out of, then obviously your pick gets stuck. And so I haven't really worked that out yet, but we will see where we go. What I'll probably do is alternate between top and bottom to actually hopefully get lucky and to set the last pin. 1, 2, 3, 4. Of course, the problem with doing it like this, obviously, as I want to release the tension, I'm actually pushing against the actual tension of the lock, so kind of making it really difficult for myself. But what's the point of making it easy, eh? I'm just kind of feathering the tension quite a lot as well to actually try and get it all done. Okay, I've got a nice little clip then. That's probably got the pins bouncing back in, no my luck. Okay. Don't get me wrong, I really would love to get this thing picked on camera, I must say. It's, and I have picked it, so I'm not saying it's the most tricky of the Banham locks due to the bitting rather than the actual lock, because the locks are very, very complex and very, very difficult to understand, I think. That's why there's not many of them picked on camera, but we will see what happens. Well, it's not going particularly well at the moment. I will say. Okay, let's go down here. We'll worry about the pick getting caught in a minute. Okay, 5. The other thing, it doesn't really like you twisting the pick. You've got to kind of push it this way, you know, so you're kind of pushing it out. It's all just a new experience, really, and a very fun learning curve. Oh, yeah, 5 minutes. Come on, let's get this thing done. Probably should have picked it a few more times and learnt the binding order. That's what I should have done, but listen, never works out that way, does it? If I was a locksmith, maybe, but I'm not. Ah, there you go, we're open. Hey, hey. Now, obviously, as you can see, as we are open, but we have got our pick stuck. So, I don't quite know how we're going to go from there, as it will not come out. Okay, so we're going to have to take this apart. Let's do it. Let's do it with a pick in it, shall we? Okay, we'll stick that over there. I'm going to stick that down there. So as I said, it's not going to be the prettiest of locks to take apart. In fact, I'll tell you what we could do. Getting a bit confused there. Right, okay, listen, let's just go for it. Let's see if we can, without breaking the pick, take this thing apart. I have worked out that this will come out. Okay, that's good. Frame there, that's good. 7 minutes, hopefully it won't be too much longer. Let's see if we can get this out. Okay, that's good. Okay, a pair of tweezers. Come on, you little beauty, come out. This is all new territory for me. Okay, that's good. Okay, we're still open. Okay, look, we're going for it. Okay, let's work out. The pick might actually help us. Okay. Okay, I know these things are going to come flying out both sides. Okay, that's good. So we've got a spring, clip, and a pin. Come on. That side, I guess. There you go, you've got the same the other side. So where's the pin? There it is. Let's get that out there. Okay, so let's just do the same this side. Okay, that's good. And then this side. Hey, this is good. This is working out just fine. Hey, that's pin's gone flying there. Pin there. Let's get that little clog. I'll get it back together again yet. Okay, let's get that side there. That's fine. Hey, this spring's going flying. Getting two. That's good. Got the pick out of it now. Okay, let's get that there. Okay, so another pin flying there. Okay. I've got ball bearings going everywhere there, so this is going to be, hey. Okay, a bit of a disaster. That's good. And then 5 in there. 5 in there. Let's just dump bits out. Bits coming everywhere. Okay, that's good. Right, oh, clips there, bits there. Okay, let's see if we can get some of these bits put back in there. Okay, so we got that there. We got a little ball spring there. That's good. Got that there. Okay, springs there. bits there. That's good. Another little collar there. Okay, so what we're missing, a few springs. Okay, that's good. So that was a minor disaster. I will get the bits out of it. What we'll do, we'll get these all lined up, and then I can just, once you've seen it's all out, then obviously I can get the other bits and we'll do some pictures afterwards. That's fine. So clips there, so that's that bit there. And there you go, like that, don't they, in there. So a remarkable, remarkable lock. And I'm actually quite pleased I've actually managed to take it apart. And I will go and find the other little bits and pieces in a minute. There's a little ball bearing down there somewhere as well, which I guess is for the core control. Okay, that's good. That goes there, that goes there, that goes inwards that way, doesn't it? So a remarkable lock. They all go all out the way. That's it. Not a great video, but listen, it's picked, it's on camera, and I'll take it. Okay, let's go in there. That's good. So what are we missing then? We're missing that goes into that way. So as you can see, everything's being forced inwards. Yeah, remarkable lock. Okay, what I'll do is I'm just going to go and find the bits, and I'll be back. Okay, guys. So as you can see, I managed to find all the bits and pieces. Oh dear, it's the two springs I actually managed to find relatively easily. I just I lost one of these little collars, and it's taken me yeah, just about an hour to find. But listen, we found it, which is great. Yeah, so wonderful, wonderful lock, and I'm very, very pleased I managed to get one picked open. Of course, the actual real challenge now is to actually get this thing put back together again, because obviously everything's sprung loaded outwards, so I don't quite know how I'm going to do it, but I'll probably make some sort of collar to go through here so we can actually sort of do it that way. But listen, guys, thanks ever so much, and of course we'll catch up with you on the next one. Take care.